This Corecon training video segment will explore a feature under the Procurements module called Anticipated Costs. To find this, go to Projects, select a project, and at the project home page, go down to Procurement, and it's the first item on the list. Anticipated cost is a way to track project expenses that have not been incurred yet, but will sometime in the future. These are especially helpful when trying to complete financial statements, and not all costs have been recorded for one reason or another. It also helps when, near the end of a project, you know certain costs will occur, but they have not been identified yet. As a result, financial dashboards that compare estimated cost budgets versus commitments would show overinflated budgets unless anticipated costs are documented. Anticipated costs is a master list of items that have been recorded in the following features: purchase orders, miscellaneous expenses, subcontracts, subcontract change orders, labor time cards, and equipment time cards. As identified in a previous video for procurement feature settings, anticipated costs can be documented by itemizing the breakdown or in summary by job cost code. We encourage you to consider those features under global settings. Anticipated costs can be added manually or imported from Excel. Anticipated costs should be reviewed on an ongoing basis for the project. Anticipated costs will eventually be deleted or marked accounted for as the project progresses. In their place, actual expenses will be recorded in the features listed. Anticipated costs appear as a committed cost transaction in the project analytics and dashboards. Remember that a project must already be established and a prime contract recorded and in approved status with an approved status date before anticipated costs can be created. Similarly, job cost codes must also be added to the prime contract when entering anticipated costs. As you can see from the Anticipated Costs Actions option, these can be added manually, imported from Excel, imported from a cost database, from an existing Corecon estimate, or directly from job cost codes. Let's take the Add Manual method first. We've selected a project and a prime contract. We can add these first by cost code. The resource would be materials, labor, equipment, subcontract, or other. And we're going to enter at least an estimated unit price. Then click Save and Close. Next, we have an anticipated cost itemized breakdown with a prime contract selected. All items will be listed. We also have some search and filter options and a cost analysis at the bottom. Remember that when the cost is actually incurred, or the invoice in this case was received, make sure that you mark this as accounted for, so there's no duplicate costs. Next, let's explore how to import anticipated costs from a Microsoft Excel import template. If you go to the help articles under the import options from Microsoft Excel help article and under anticipated costs, you're going to find the templates and information and instructions how to bring this information into Corecon from a Microsoft Excel import template. I have prepared one already, just 3 line items. Note that the cost codes must already exist in this particular project. To import this, let's go to Actions and Import from Excel. We're going to choose the file and click Open. All of the information has come in. We go back to anticipated costs. Now that information appears. Again, once the invoice or cost is actually incurred, we'll want to come back and mark these as accounted for so they're not included twice. The next option is to add anticipated costs by importing from work items. We're going to import this work item that is classified using the CSI 2016 cost codes. If you've already set up your cost database, this will be available to you. We'll search those default classifications for items in our cost database under this default cost code and click filter. What we need is right here at the top, and we're also going to select a cost code already set up in this particular project. Notice that there's no unit price included. Then I'm going to click add and close. Since there were no cost included, we are going to want to edit that item and include the cost. I could also use this option to mark items accounted for once we do receive the billing. Click Save and Close. The other options are to import from estimate items or the estimate item summary or from job cost codes. If you'd like to know more about this information, I encourage you to go to the help articles, to leads and projects, to procurement, and down to the article on anticipated costs. You'll find the information we covered in this training video, as well as additional information you might find helpful.